Now we're just going to attach the forward upper part of the shroud, and then we're going to drop it on down into the engine compartment. Okay, kids, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to drop that radiator in when you have the fan shroud on, because it just goes straight on down here. Okay, and here we go. So you see the shroud kind of centers it on itself. Just gotta get this thing out of here. Okay. Then we're gonna drop it down into its rubber gromets. Okay, and that is it. How's that for easy? Okay, let's see if we can pop these back in. Come on, baby. Get in there. There. Okay, how's that for the easy button? And here's the retainer for it. That just pops on like that. Okay, now let's go for this one. Right there. And in we go. Okay, and the other retainer. Okay, all right. Okay, that's in, and that's in. Okay, let's get the radiator hose on. Okay, there you go. Okay, we'll do that later. Okay, so that takes care of the underside. And are these okay here? Yeah, okay, that is for something up above. Good. All right, the radiator is in. See how easy that was? Upper radiator hose can go on, and this is also double clamped. The old radiator brackets. Okay. Okay, that does it. Alright, so this is where we're at. That is how the new connection for the degas tank is. You see the hose goes over to the bottom of the degas bottle, and the heater hose is under it. See the heater hose right there. Yeah, there it is, right dead center is the heater hose. So that will go into a Y with the hose there, and over here, right there, that cross, that's the return from the coolant filter. So the heater hose and filter will recombine there and head up to the Y here, and then go to the radiator. Then the 3/8" hose from here goes to the connection on the degas bottle. Then the degas bottle, instead of having a cap that just burps everything everywhere, will go to the connection at the bottom of the reservoir here. So you see the 3/8" connection down there. So overflow from the degas bottle will go to the reservoir, and as the engine warms up, cools down, gets a vacuum inside, it will draw coolant back into the engine instead of burping it out all over the place. Okay, so this we'll just finish up tomorrow. I'm going to finish cleaning and putting things away and call it a night. And here's my new Harbor Freight Vulcan 205 Pro TIG welder. Worked great, did an awesome job on the radiator. You see the little 1-inch bung fitting that I put in there to reroute my coolant lines, and this is what the finished installation looks like. It's a little different than what you see in this video. The next video's got it. Here's Poppy and Archie are providing some comic relief wearing mustaches, and look at how handsome Archie looks with that mustache on. What a guy. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.